First of all, we'll discuss air, that why air is important for all living things. Air contains oxygen. We all know that oxygen is the most important gas which is required for all living things to survive on the earth. What oxygen does inside? When oxygen gets inside our body, it produces energy. It breaks down food, it produces energy, and we use that energy to do our daily activities. Now, human beings, animals, and plants, they use different ways to absorb oxygen. When we talk about human beings use lungs to absorb oxygen from the air. Land animals use lungs too to absorb oxygen from the air. Water animals uses gills to absorb oxygen. Plants use stomata to absorb oxygen from the air. Now let me tell you what stomata are. Stomata are tiny holes on the leaves which absorb oxygen. In the last, insects. Insects also have small holes on their bodies which help them to absorb oxygen from the air. Now we have water. Water is the second most important element. We all know that 3/4 part of human body consists of water, and doctors suggest us to take 8 to 10 glasses of water daily for a healthy living. From all this, we can imagine that how water is important for all of us. Now, what water does? Water does different functions in all groups of living things. First of all, we'll talk about human beings and animals. What it does with human beings and animals. It helps to supply oxygen in the body. When we take water, when we drink it, it contains a lot of oxygen. What it does, it runs throughout the body and provides oxygen to all organs of our body. Then the food we have to survive, it moves that food throughout the body to give body energy. What an important function it also plays is it keeps the temperature under control. Next important thing is that it keeps the body moist. Now, how plants use water? Plants use water to make food. How plants absorb water? They absorb water from the land through roots. Now, another thing which water does is it keeps plants stiff and stand upright. It helps plants to grow and keep them green and lush. Next important element is food. Why food is important? Because it gives us energy, and we all know that energy is required to survive and to live a healthy life. Now we have different food groups. Our food is combination of different food groups. It contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, dairy products and all that. But now we'll focus on carbohydrates and proteins. Let's talk about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. I've already mentioned that why energy is required. Energy is important because it gives us strength to work all the day. We can get carbohydrates from wheat, rice, potatoes and corn. Then we'll talk about proteins. Why proteins are important in our food? Because proteins help us to repair our body cells. We all know that our human body or all human living things are made up of cells. So what protein does? Protein repairs body cells and helps them to grow bigger. Secondly, it makes our body strong. The food which we can get proteins from are meat, eggs, pulses and milk.